Hold on to your seats, folks, because we're diving into the heart-pounding world of off-road adrenaline with the all-new 2024 Yamaha YXZ1000R. Meet the beast that's ready to tackle any terrain you throw its way. With its high-performance suspension and cutting-edge design, the 2024 Yamaha YXZ1000R is built to dominate the dirt trails and leave a trail of dust in its wake. Under the hood, the YXZ1000R boasts a powerhouse engine that roars to life, delivering an exhilarating burst of speed that'll make your heart race. But it's not just about brute force. The YXZ1000R is packed with advanced technology that ensures a smooth ride and precise control, even in the toughest. From winding trails to open fields, this machine is your ticket to an off-road adventure like no other. So, if you're ready to experience the thrill of conquering the great outdoors, hop into the driver's seat of the 2024 Yamaha YXZ1000R and let the adventure begin. Stay tuned for more heart-pounding action and subscribe for the latest updates on all things off-road.